friends, today we're going to make a cow. We're just making the cow head because we're going to turn it into a puppet with a stick. So first you're going to get out your scissors and you're going to put your thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below. If this is hard for you, that's okay. Just do the best you can, and if you need some help cutting, you can ask your parents to help or another adult. We're sending a lot of cutting home just to get some practice. So you're going to start and you're going to cut, open, close. Remember, turn your paper, not your arm. Keep your arm still and just turn your paper. Turn the paper. You need to cut a piece off? That's fine. And just try your best. The more you practice cutting, the better. This is something you want to do at the table. Keep the scissors away from your hair or any brothers or sisters you might have or any other people. You want to just cut paper. Paper is the only thing you should be cutting with a scissors. So, almost done. Cutting out the cow head. Makes such a fun sound when you cut. Move that out of the way. And the cow is white. This part is going to be his mouth that goes here. You decide if you want to have a brown cow, a white cow, a black cow, any kind of cow. You can get out your crayons, your markers. I think I'm going to have a cow with black spots. Put it anywhere you want, because no cow is the same. It's kind of like snowflakes. They're all different. So cows are all different. Now we're going to use sticker eyes. So put those on your cow, just because it's fun for our cows to have eyes. Oh, and then you're going to add his nostrils. He needs two to breathe. And your glue stick. Put it on the back. We're going to do that 10 count press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to turn this over and we're going to add our popsicle stick at the bottom. So we're going to put some glue. And this one we might have to count a little bit more, but let's start with 10 and see how that goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's check it. That looks pretty good. But you might need to put a little more glue or a little more counting. And then here is your cow puppet. You can change it if you want, add more spots if you want. Up to you. This is your project, your ideas, your thoughts. Enjoy, friends. Bye.